Hello beautiful people. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Gohighlevel. Gohighlevel is one of the best all-in-one marketing platform. What do I mean by this? Well, whether you're looking for a platform to create sales pipeline, CRM, or you're looking to do email marketing or any form of marketing, whether you're a small business, large business, an agency, Gohighlevel will provide you with the tools to take your marketing to another level. So instead of having numerous platforms that you have to sign into or different apps that you have to have on your device to track your business, you can combine everything and use one dashboard, one platform, which is Gohighlevel. So basically, from that alone, you can see the perks of having Gohighlevel. And you can test it out. So they provide you with a 14-day free trial period. But keep in mind, to sign up, you will need to use your credit card or your debit card to sign up. But they won't be charging you anything until after the 14-day free trial period. So you can test it out and see if the platform is for you. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of the platform so that you can see some of the perks that they have. As I said earlier, all you'll need to do is tap right here to sign up. Once you have signed up and you have verified your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you could choose to connect Stripe if you want, or you can sign in. So this is the agency dashboard, but to find your dashboard on which you'll see even more features, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see click here to switch, and you are going to select the name that you had provided when you were signing up. So for example, I used Simple Answers. You can see that after I selected Simple Answers, you can see that the dashboard has changed. And from here, I could connect Stripe if I want, and I can connect numerous other apps. As I said earlier, with Gohighlevel, you'll be able to integrate numerous apps onto this one platform so that you only need to visit one dashboard per day to keep track of your business and to also deal with customer relationship and practically everything. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and let's say for example we would like to tap on conversations right here, as I will be carrying you through each step by step. Conversations will basically be the customer service relationship that I was talking about earlier. So if you want to use it for that, you'll be able to track all your messages right there. If you'd also like to keep on top of your calendar and your booking, you can simply tap on calendars right here. And from here, you can put in the different appointments that you have. So you can put it in right here to keep on track of your calendar. If you would also like to create a book appointment, you could tap right there. And from there, you can fill in the information as you can see there. It is quite straightforward to use once you get the hang of it. You can also add contacts, so you can tap on contacts from the left hand menu option. Once you have tapped on contacts, you will be redirected to this page. Now to add a contact, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you could add the person's first and last name. You can also add their email address, and you can scroll down. You can fill out the contact type, whether this is a lead or a customer. And you can also collect other information from your customers, as you can see right there. And you'll be able to keep track of all your customers in this section. So you can add customers and different businesses. And to connect different payment methods, all you'll need to do is tap on payments right here. Once you have tapped on payments, from here you'll also be able to create invoices. Now to connect the payment methods, you'll simply tap on integrate payment method from the top right hand corner. So you could tap there to connect Stripe and PayPal. Now to create an invoice, all you'll need to do is tap on new in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can tap on new invoice. After you have tapped on new invoice, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll be able to create your first invoice. You can also use this dashboard to create a template that you can use in the future if you want. So we could scroll down, and from here you can add the client. So you could tap on add client right there, and you can also add the item or service that you offer, and you could add the price that you offer that item or service at. I will be showing you later on in the tutorial how to add an item or how to add a service to Gohighlevel. So let's go back. Now we are going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and from the left hand menu option you could tap on marketing, and from here you can use the different templates that they provide. So whether you would like to do social media marketing, you could tap on that to manage your social media accounts. If you would like to do email marketing, you can do that. So all you'll need to do is select emails, and from there you could tap on campaigns, and you'll be able to select different email marketing campaigns. So you'll simply tap on create campaign. Once you have tapped on create campaign, you will be redirected to a new page, as you can see right here. And you could add your campaign name at the top of the page right there. And from there, you could fill out the rest of the information. So you could tap right where you see blank. After you have tapped on blank, from there, you could tap on design editor. So let's say I were to do that. After you have tapped on design editor, you will be redirected to a new dashboard on which you'll be able to create your email. So once it loads up, I will show you what to do next. So you can see you have numerous elements from the left hand menu option. All you'll need to do is simply pull it where you'd want it on the page right here. So for example, if you would like to add your social media or FAQ questions or a product, all you'll need to do is simply tap on it, and you can drag and place it where you want, as you can see right there. And once you're finished, you'll tap on save, or you can send it if you want. So there are numerous perks that you can use, and it is quite easy to use, as I said earlier. Now let's go back. So we're going to close out of this, and I'll show you how to create email automation. So you're going to tap on automation, and from here you can create different workflows, and they also provide you with templates that you can use. So for example, if we were to tap on create workflow, you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So if you're a complete beginner to this, and depending on the type of website that you have or your target audience, you can choose any one of these templates and customize it to your liking. So whether you would like to do email drip sequence, birthday template, you can see numerous templates that you can use. Whether you like to do retargeting, webinar registration, you can use this platform. And also, if you would like to create a landing page, all you'll need to do is tap on sites from the left hand menu option. And from there, you can create a landing page, and you can also create a sales funnel. So for example, if I wanted to create a landing page, I would go up to the top menu after I tapped on sites, and from there I could select websites. Then I would tap on new website. After you have done that, from there you can add your website name. So I'll just name this test. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, I will tap on from templates, and I'm going to tap on continue. If you would like to start from scratch, you could tap on from blank, but for this example I'll be using one of their templates. And you can see the different template options from the left hand menu option right there, and from here you can simply select the template that you would like to use. So for example, if you are creating a website about pets, you can simply tap on this. Then after you have seen it, and if it is to your liking, you could tap on continue in the top right hand corner, and from there you could continue editing it. If you would like to create a form, for example a pop-up form or so on, you can also do that. So you could select forms here. You can also create surveys. You can also create chat widgets if you want. So you could tap on chat widget right there, and you can create different chat widgets as you can see right there. You can also select WordPress, tap on WordPress, and you can see different features for WordPress. And again, if you want to create a sales funnel, all you have to do is tap on funnels. After you have tapped on funnels, you could tap on new funnel, and from there you can create a sales funnel. Now, you may think that that is all the features of Gohighlevel. Well, I got another thing for you, as they provide you with numerous features. For example, if we were to tap on membership from the left hand menu option, you can also create courses to sell. All you'll need to do is hover over courses. Then from there, you could tap on products. After you have tapped on products, you'll tap on create product, and you can choose whether you would like to create a short course, a marathon course, or if you would like to offer membership, you can tap on membership. You can also create certificates that you can give persons that take part in your courses. And also, to deal with customer relationship, all you'll need to do is tap on reputation right here, and from there you can send review requests and other stuff, and you can keep track of your customers. And you can also watch all of the reporting, or better yet your general dashboard, by tapping on reporting right here. And if you would like to integrate any other app, all you'll need to do is tap on app marketplace, and from there you can search for the numerous apps, and from there you can search through the numerous apps that this platform provides, and you can simply select the one that you would like to integrate. If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you would like me to go into detail with any one of the features that this platform provides, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.